I think having Rebelle and Mapbox both involved is a testament to how important it is for the company to stay grounded.
We work at Mapbox to kind of remove the thinking that needs to happen when people interact with maps. And now it's kind of taking it from a whole other perspective where it's all about your brain and your connection and making that join between what you see in the topography and what you see on the map.
Sitting behind the computer, like doing something, building something, making something is one thing, but then sitting out there in the wild and needing that thing or using that thing to get around is like a totally another experience. And so really just being able to understand those experiences and be more aware of the needs of people in those situations, I think will be very, very helpful overall for the company.
It's a really exciting opportunity for us to get to work through the hardest questions that we have as a company, trying to build a platform and helping us understand how to make good decisions and be strong leaders, and also really, really understand what the challenge is between combining the technology with the physical world, which is ultimately what we're doing.
Coming here and seeing what's on the map versus how we've designed it is really a proving ground for what is our understanding of what a map means to someone, beyond just looking good and being fun to use. The marriage of Mapbox and Rebelle has probably been one of the most exciting things for our culture. Tech traditionally is not a female majority environment.
Emily's vision really aligns with a lot of the things that brought me to Mapbox. The passion for what you're working on and empowering people to kind of own what they're doing.
There's a real gravity here, and I think there are some great opportunities to not only develop technical skills and more of an intuition for the direction our product needs to go, but also just to learn and absorb the incredible strength and expertise from a really extraordinary group here.